This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Binance Red Packet codes. First, understand that these codes provide free cryptocurrency and are a fun way to receive digital assets. They are frequently distributed during special events, holidays, or community giveaways. You can easily claim these codes using the Binance mobile application, making the process straightforward and accessible for all users. Let's dive into the simple steps. Finding red packet codes requires a bit of active participation. Many codes are announced on official Binance social media platforms like X, Telegram, or Instagram. Engaging with the Binance community on forums or during live events can also reveal new codes. Additionally, keep an eye out for codes shared by crypto influencers or official Binance partners, as they often have exclusive giveaways. Staying connected is key. Once you have a code, claiming your red packet is simple. Open your Binance mobile application and locate the red packet feature, usually found under the Pay section or through a direct search. Carefully enter the red packet code into the provided input box. Double-check for any typos before confirming your claim. The cryptocurrency will then be instantly credited to your spot wallet, ready for use. To maximize your red packet rewards, always act fast. Many codes have a limited number of claims or a short expiration period, so quick action is essential. Sharing codes with friends not only spreads the excitement, but can also sometimes unlock additional rewards for you. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Keep an eye out for new opportunities to earn free crypto.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.